Nickname is Nikki, but my name ain't Nicole. Name ain't Nicole.
Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I look crazy and I literally, one, got caught in the rain, so if my hair looks crazy then there's nothing I can do about it. Two, I literally just finished work. It is Thursday night and I'm filming my face chart Friday tonight because tomorrow I have some people coming to fix a bunch of crap in my house and I don't know how long they're gonna take, so I'm pretty sure I wouldn't be able to film, like, because there'll be banging and clanking and people walking past, so I don't think anybody wants to see that. This particular face chart was sent to me months and months and months ago and I was too afraid to do it anyway because of the colors, but then I figured, girl, just live your best life, like, just, you know, because I like it, but the colors, I'm like, I can't wear that to work, but it works out because I have to film this video now on a Thursday. I'm still gonna upload it Friday. Sorry if I'm talking fast, but I'm also trying to film this. I have to go to the gym real quick, like after I film this video I have to go to the gym. Yeah, I joined the gym, y'all. I joined the gym, look at God. So yeah, I have to hurry up and do this. And I have to go to the gym in the look that I'm going to be doing in this video, so that should be fun. Enough talking, let's get started. This part's gonna be a little strange only because, well, first of all, I put a little black liner on, but I'm going to go over it with this red burgundy color because if you look at the face chart, it's actually not black liner all the way. There's like right in this area, it's like a reddish, like a deep red. I don't have a deep red liner, so I'm going to be using this burgundy shade. This is Witch's Pouch Selfie Awesome Brush Gel Liner. I always use these liners for my lower lash line, and it's a Korean brand, so there's that. And I guess this is as good as this lip is gonna get. Okay, I actually like this. I'm not wearing this to the gym though, because that's cray. But this is as good as a lip is gonna get, because picture's real small. I got big lips. I don't have any brush that thin anymore. I threw it out when I did a brush declutter. I threw out a lot of brushes, and I probably shouldn't have thrown out that thin one. But this is it, y'all. I look real yellow, very yellow. Oh, I look so yellow. This is, oh, I look so yellow. Oh, I can see the mascara. I'm just gonna blend that in real quick, real fast. Don't judge me. Oh, yes, and I didn't take this off either. Yeah, this is a finished look. I have fun with this one. I like it. But would I ever wear this lip outside? Oh, my hair feels gross. I hate rain and humidity and just everything. I would only wear this lip if I was like going to, Halloween. But that's it for this video. Like I said, can't do long outro or anything because I have to change and get ready for the gym. So there's that. Again, if you want to see me do a face chart, again, shout out to whoever sent this. I finally did it. Whoever sent this one to me, I don't remember, y'all. I don't. But whoever sent it to me, I finally did it. Hope you liked it. If you want to see me do another one, or you want to see me do one that you like, just slide in my DMs on Instagram. Yeah, that's it. That's all. I will see you next time. Bye.